Hi, my name is Asia and I'm a freelance illustrator from Manila. I'm currently shooting this class in my home office in Bali. So, being a self-taught illustrator and a freelancer for the last 4 years, I'd like to share my personal way of learning from other greater, much better artists than me. So I imagine you're watching this because you'd like to learn how to study. I mean, I'm not here to give you what to study and tell you what to do or like who to go to or what to read. I'm here to teach you a technique that I've used when I was growing up. A lot of the times there's so much information to be absorbed. So I want to break it down and make it easier for you to understand the decisions that go behind why certain artists use these lines and how you can probably apply the same kind of design or stylistic principles in your own work.
I'll be teaching you how to look at someone's work by first looking at the shapes of their heads, figuring out the line style that the characters are using, then later on isolating the eyes, figuring out the shape, what makes it unique, and then on to the nose and the mouth. After which we're going to put everything together and see if we can create a believable character from the same universe you're taking your references from.